Hi, welcome to Mochi Labo. In this video, we'll explore Ohm's law, one of the most fundamental principles in electricity. Let's imagine electricity for a moment. We use it every day, right? Phones, computers, you name it. But behind all of that, there's one simple rule that explains how electricity actually works. That rule is known as Ohm's law. You've probably seen it before. V equals I times R. But what does that really mean? Why does it matter? And how does it shape everything from your phone charger to massive power grids? Let's explore that together. Let's start with a simple way to picture electricity. To really get it, there are a few keywords you need to know: electrons, current, resistance, and voltage. Think of electrons as tiny people walking along a path. Each one carries a bit of energy, their motivation. When lots of them move together, the flow of people represents the movement of electrons, and the opposite direction is what we call current. The strength of current is expressed as I. This is a tricky part of electricity. Electrons move one way, but current flows the other way. To keep things simple, let's imagine positive particles instead of electrons. It just makes it easier to visualize how energy moves through the circuit. But not every path is the same. Some places are smooth and open, while others are narrow and full of obstacles. That's resistance. It makes people tired and slows them down. We express the difficulty of the road as R, and the energy each person starts with, their drive or motivation to move, that's voltage. The strength of voltage is expressed as V. If they have more potential, they can push through tougher paths or move faster. Now here's where it all connects. Ohm's law tells us that these three ideas, voltage, current, and resistance, and bound together in one simple relationship, V equals I times R. You can think of it like this. If you want more people to move a higher current, you need to give them more motivation, a higher voltage. But if the road becomes more difficult, greater resistance, fewer people with enough motivation will make it through, so the current drops. Now let's bring this back to a simple circuit: a battery, some wires, and a light bulb. The battery gives each person their energy, that's voltage. The wire is the path they travel, and the bulb is the part where they lose energy, that's resistance. As positive particles move through the bulb, they give up their motivation energy, and that's what produces light and heat. Use a battery with a higher voltage. People have more motivation, so the current increases and the bulb shines brighter. Use a bulb with higher resistance, and fewer people will move. The current falls and the light gets dimmer. So even though electricity feels mysterious, it all comes down to one simple rule: how voltage, current, and resistance balance each other. That's the beauty of Ohm's law. Thanks for watching. If you notice any mistakes, please tell me in the comments. I'm always learning too, and I hope we can grow together. See you in the next video.